I'm really proud of what we've delivered today. I thought the boys were excellent, took on the game plan. We prepared as much as we could this week for it, and there was an obvious plan that we had to try and give Colwyn Bay something different to manage, and I thought to a point, I thought it was really effective. Obviously, we've lost the game 3-0, but I thought we gave a really good account of ourselves. Yeah.
Credit to the staff; they did all the tactics and gave us all the information we needed, and we had to just do the job on the pitch. And to credit to Buzz, all 15 of us plus 11 of us plus the subs, we stuck to our task, and lucky enough we got the job done.
Whether it's a league competition or whether it's a cup competition, yes, there's different approaches that we have, but it's all about momentum and building that up, especially because we've had a couple of indifferent results, and we've dropped points when we didn't want to drop points in the league. So this is nice it's sometimes a welcome distraction, so you can focus a little bit on the cup, get the momentum and move on, which is going to be a next challenge at a busy period over Christmas and New Year.
You had a number of key players missing this afternoon. How frustrating was that for such a big game?
Of course, these sorts of games last 16. You just want your best side. You want to roll your best side out in the team, or at least have all your best players available and your whole squad available. And unfortunately, we had 6 players missing, which was a shame. But look, what I would say is we've built a really strong squad here this season from scratch, essentially, because we had a complete rebuild to do, and I think the squad has shown today what it's about, and there's some youngsters there that got some minutes at the end, which is fantastic for the club, players that have come through the academy, etc. So I thought it was a really good occasion for us, and I hate saying that sometimes because I'm a winner and I want to win things, but we've got to take some positives from it, and I thought the boys bought into everything we wanted to do really well.
How much momentum can you take from a win like that this afternoon into the upcoming games in the league?
Massive. Winning games is winning games. No matter if you're playing team in tier 2 or someone in the Prem, you just got to win the game. Win the game and take that momentum on. Everyone will say that you win a game and the momentum just carries on and carries on and carries. Unfortunately, we've got a week off next week where there's no game, but I know the gaffer's going to have us working hard in training and try and match tempo during training throughout the week, and then hopefully after Christmas we can continue the run and see where we go from there.
You won the Welsh Cup 6 times as a player, and now into the last 8 with the last 2 winners of the Cup out. You've got a real chance to win it this year.
Possibly. I don't want to sound boring, but we are needing to focus just on the next bit. The next bit is the league now. That's really important for us. But you know what? We can look forward to a quarter-final now, which is really good, and give the fans something to really shout about.